Alright guys, we got a new lawn here. This guy we got because his neighbor's lawn is immaculate, and it really is. We've been treating it for, well, as long as I've been with the company, and that's been 14 years. So let's see what we can do about this new customer. Pretty windy day today. Just got to keep it low. Keep it low, play the wind. Like they got a bunch of different types of weeds, dandelions, clover. Definitely in need of some help. A little wild violet over there. Good thing is we got the stuff to take care of the wild violet today. Bob, the owner who quoted the lawn, said that this one was pretty gnarly. Had about everything on it. So I'm seeing chickweed, dandelions, wild violet, clover. Definitely gnarly. We'll get it taken care of though. This stuff will knock it right out. Oh yeah. Alright, usually I go side to side, but I'm going to go up and down because of the wind today. Gotta keep it low. Keep that arm moving back and forth. You want to create a bunch of droplets with your arm movement. You can hit the mulch as long as there's no plants. Hit any plants, well, you should be in business. Kind of like the spreader, the Z sprayer, or the steel green I should say. You want to throw back to your footprints or your tire marks, whichever you're using. Using a sprayer, your footprints. Using a spreader, your tire marks. Pay attention to them mulch beds. Don't want to get any near a plant. Overlapping is what we want to see. That ensures you get total coverage on the lawn. And if you can see right there, you can see my footprints. Nice line. This grass is thick, you can see that stuff. So I kind of feather that edge by that fence. And we're not paying to spray they're not paying to spray the neighbor's yard. Here's where you get to see an edge, real nice feathering of an edge. Kind of keep that spray right away from it, but you can also get good coverage while doing it. So for me, when I exit the backyard, I always pick up my hose and drag it towards the truck. So I go to the boulevard, hit the boulevard. If y'all don't know what a boulevard is, that is the grass between the sidewalk and the street. So next time you listen to Green Day, you know what your broken dreams are all about. Gotta pull me some more hose back here. Nice tangle. That's always fun. That's how I'm soaking that sidewalk and driveway. That just ensures I know where I've been and you're getting total coverage. Any common area like that, you want to soak. That way, you know you hadn't missed anything. I'll show you when I'm done. Play that wind, especially on a day like today. Pick that hose up, go back to the other side. Trying to avoid this car, because if this hose hits those tires, it will stop it dead in its tracks. And that's always never good. Check out that edge. Close, close, close. And that's how a true professional does it. Done, and on to the next one. Hose reels can be difficult. But when you've been doing it for 14 years, you make it look like it's easy. Just go with the hose. Where it moves, you move. Your hand moves. Tight little grip, loose enough for the hose to slide through. Since the hose is wet, it's going to slide through very easily. So, look at this knot. That better not happen again, or else I'll be in trouble. All right. Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw the difference between the non-customer for years and the customer for years, but there's a huge difference. Well, one's cut and one's not, but at the same time, the other one doesn't have any weeds, doesn't have bare spots. We'll just check it out. If you notice those edges, they're soaked. It's consistent all the way down. You want to kill everything but the plants. But yes, this lawn has not been sprayed all year. It is just immaculate. There's a few near the edges, but you're always going to find weeds on the edges. If they're going to pop up on mature lawns, treated lawns that have been treated for years, that's going to be the case. It's always going to be the edges. Those are the hardest. But I mean, just look at this thing. It is beautiful. Beautiful. Not a weed in the middle at all. Like I said, the edges are what you got to worry about. But man, no bare spots. Just immaculate. That's what sold them. That's what got us this customer over here. Here's the customer that we just treated, the new customer. Full of weeds. It's thick, but you can see how it's got its problem areas like this. Heavy thatch. Just grass naturally dies every season. But yeah, an aeration and overseeding would definitely be recommended. Maybe even a dethatch. I mean, there is a lot of heavy thatch here, but overall not too bad of a lawn. Right here it needs some improvement. There's that thatch and that natural die off. That's how we do it at the Greenskeeper though.